Hello friends! Today we're making slowly cooked fall off the bone tender beef short ribs. This is such a comforting meal and so delicious, especially when served over some mashed potatoes. Let's get started. We're using beef short ribs for this recipe, and the short ribs have the bone in right here and a lot of fat marbles running through them, which is going to give good flavor. We're going to generously season them with salt and black pepper. Then we're going to heat up some oil in a pan over medium-high heat, then add the short ribs. We're searing the short ribs for 1 minute on each side. We want them to develop a golden brown sear, which is going to add so much flavor to the meal. Once the short ribs are very well browned, toss in some fresh garlic cloves. Toast the garlic in the pan for a few seconds, then add some tomato paste. We're going to cook the tomato paste for about 1 minute just to get rid of that raw tomato taste. We're going to pour some red wine all over the beef short ribs. Red wine is good on short ribs because it tenderizes the meat while adding so much flavor. Pour in some beef broth. Use all of that delicious red wine sauce to baste the meat. Then let the sauce cook and come to a simmer. Next, cover the pan with aluminum foil. Then place this into a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven to slowly bake for 2.5 hours. Here are the beef short ribs when they're all done baking. These will make your home smell so good. The short ribs are fall off the bone tender and melt in your mouth delicious. These are delicious when served over some creamy mashed potatoes. This is such a comforting meal, perfect for fall. If you guys would like to try this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements together with the directions will be in the description box.